A few months back, there was a buzz around the media that SIP is eating into luxury car sales. The luxury car industry is facing a new challenger called SIP. What is the real side of this story? In this video, let us understand what is the actual meaning of this statement and how can you afford luxury items without taking loan. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SIP is eating into luxury car sales by Mercedes. This was the caption for a news article published on November 2022. The nutshell of the news article is one of the top executives of Mercedes-Benz India was pinpointing the fact that SIP is reducing the disposable income of Indians. If a person has a surplus of 50k per month, instead of investing in a mutual fund, he should be diverting into EMI for his luxury. This news created a huge buzz in social media then. Now, let us look at the other side of the coin. The finance fraternity has a different opinion. The mutual fund SIPs wouldn't hit the sales of the luxury car industry. Rather, mutual fund SIPs will enhance the purchasing power of investors, which will generate more potential customers for the luxury car industry. In other words, it would be better to do a SIP investment and build wealth to buy luxury items rather than buying the luxury item on loan and serving it. Let us understand this with the help of a scenario. Let us assume that on-road price of a car is 25 lakhs. A 20% down payment amounts to 5 lakhs. The balance would be funded by a loan. The loan amount is 20 lakhs. Assumed rate of interest is 9.5% and the tenure is 5 years. The EMI would be approximately 42,000. Instead of serving the EMI for the next 5 years, what would be the situation if he divert and invest the same in SIP? Let us assume that the EMI 42,000 is invested monthly in a fund that generates 8% interest per annum, and also the down payment amounting to rupees 5 lakhs is invested as a lump sum amount in the same fund. The accumulated corpus at the end of 5 years is 38.18 lakhs. Since you are postponing the purchase, by the time the market price of the car would have increased due to inflation. If it cost 25 lakhs now, it would cost around 36.73 lakhs, assuming an inflation rate of 8% per annum. So, with your accumulated corpus of 38 lakhs and odd, you could comfortably buy your dream car. This analysis clearly shows that the SIPs won't hit the sales of luxury car brands. It would increase the capability of buyers, that is, investors, by accumulating wealth in the long run. SIPs will enable the accomplishment of luxury goals. We would like to highlight some more additional points from what we have discussed earlier. If you buy a car on loan, then the cost of the car may be higher due to additional interest payments. The higher the tenure, the higher the interest payments. A car loan is a debt burden. This may affect your financial flexibility, and any default affects your CIBIL score. Cars typically depreciate in value over time. By the end of loan tenure, the value of the car would have depreciated by more than 50%. Investing in SIPs may yield higher returns compared to the interest you pay on EMI. Next, power of compounding. If you understand the power of compounding better, you would invest rather than paying EMI. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it, by Albert Einstein. The picture shown here depicts the power of compounding in mutual fund. A man who has a savings discipline can enjoy luxury in future. Now let us consider one more scenario. You are taking out a loan to buy a new car. Let us assume that on-road price is 15 lakhs. You have 5 lakhs cash and going for a loan for the balance 10 lakhs. Assumed interest rate 8%, loan tenure 5 years, that is 60 months. EMI would be approximately 20,276. By the end of your loan tenure, the total amount of money you paid will be your down payment 5 lakhs, loan amount 10 lakhs, plus interest 2.16 lakhs, plus repairs plus maintenance, plus insurance. I would say you would have spent around 20 lakhs. Insurance companies says in 5 years 50% of the value will be depreciated. So at the end of your loan tenure, the value of the car would be 7.5 lakhs. But the money you spent is around 20 lakhs. You have successfully lost 12.5 lakhs over a depreciating asset that will be nothing in a few more years. Buying a depreciating item by taking a loan will create a debt burden. In the initial stages of the loan, the asset's value may depreciate faster than the loan's principal is paid off. Your possessions are not your own. Your desire to become wealthy has simply made you believe that you own your asset, as well as the financial institutions that are using it. If you have the financial discipline and can save up for the asset without taking a loan, you might avoid paying interest and have more financial flexibility. You are on a spending binge to amass riches in your goal to become wealthy. You have acquired everything required to feel wealthy. You are almost there, but you will have to pay for them for the rest of your life. Debt trap is precisely what prevents you from owning your assets. Additionally, there are no long term advantages to be found if you look for them. You will be spending money on something that has long since lost its value, and you will lose it for nothing if you don't pay your EMI. The context of discussion is that buying a depreciating asset or any luxury item funded by a loan will ruin your short term financial flexibility. These depreciating assets not only eat your monthly surplus but also involves high maintenance costs. The money used for loan payments could have been invested elsewhere to potentially generate higher returns. Ultimately, it is essential to analyze your current financial situation, evaluate your long term goals, and assess your overall financial picture before making a decision. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights tailored to your specific circumstances. If you really want to know more about SIP investments and comprehensive financial plan, it is better to consult a professional financial planner. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.